Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans.
Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with our white vans. G'day, guys. Josh and Daniel.
Hey, g'day, mate.
Back at it again with them white vans, and it's all of a sudden led to a viral campaign. You've been on Ellen and you got a lifetime supply of shoes. Can you just explain the last 4 weeks and where your heads are at from where you started to where you are now?
It's just awesome. You know, there's so many opportunities and just so many awesome experiences coming our way.
Yeah, Josh and I are both, still trying to get over it. We did not expect all this out of a video we made, but we're enjoying it so far.
Now, Daniel, explain to me what a lifetime supply of Vans looks like. Is that like one a year? Is it one every 2 weeks? Like, is it when they get dirty?
So what it is, it's $5,000 for 5 years. So, I mean, that's over like 200 pairs of Vans. But, we get a pretty good amount of Vans.
Are you actually, Daniel, wearing Vans? Because I feel if you're famous for wearing the shoes and you're getting stopped on the street, or maybe you just want to go shopping with your mates, would you actually wear Vans?
I mean, whatever goes with my outfit. I mean, I know I'll continue to wear Vans when I'm going places with my friends.
Are you guys actually employed by Vans, and this is a big marketing ploy?
No, we have contacts trying to get in contact with Vans, but no, we're not really connected with them.
Okay.
It's good to hear that it's been an organic process as such.
Let's talk about the voice, Josh. Is this a voice that you've been putting on for years and all of a sudden you just had a catchy catchphrase and a funny Snapchat?
It started this year. Me and my friends used to do it, but, it was just me being stupid, honestly.
I think there's only one way that you can possibly take this interview out with Josh. Can you hit us with the damn Daniel?
Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans.
Oh, God. Chills down the
Hilarious.
spine. Guys, thank you so much for coming on, Josh. And damn, Daniel.